Today, we're taking a look at the 2025 Forest River Salem 22 ERAS, a travel trailer that's becoming very popular with couples thanks to its smart layout and residential-style comfort. At about 28 feet long and just over 6,000 pounds dry weight, it offers a spacious interior while still being manageable to tow with many half-ton trucks. One of the standout features of the 22 ERAS is the rear kitchen design. Instead of placing the kitchen in a tight corner, Forest River designed it across the entire back wall. This gives you much more counter space, additional cabinets, and a better setup for meal prep. The kitchen includes a single-bowl sink, microwave, cooktop, and an oversized refrigerator, along with a large window that brings in natural light while you cook. The living area feels surprisingly open thanks to the large slide-out. Inside the slide, you'll typically find comfortable theater seating, along with storage and a nearby pantry. Across from the seating area is the entertainment center, making it a great place to relax after a long day outdoors. The Salem lineup also features JBL interior and exterior speakers, giving you a solid sound system for movies or music at the campsite. Up front, you'll find a custom queen bed, which isn't always common in a trailer this size. There are wardrobes and nightstands on both sides, overhead storage, and even a small built-in pet step to help pets climb onto the bed. In the middle of the trailer is a pass-through bathroom with a walk-in shower, vanity, toilet, and storage. The dual-access design allows entry from both the bedroom and hallway, giving you added privacy while still keeping the bathroom accessible. Overall, the 2025 Forest River Salem 22 ERAS is a great option for couples looking for a comfortable travel trailer with a spacious rear kitchen, queen bed, and modern camping features.